is reason for the stop. Coming up to H.
So, H. Bodycam 2774. First spot at 50. Light traffic. Speeds are 50. Coming up to the middle to the medium traffic. Over the hill right here, medium traffic, inside of the lane. Negative on the sticks. Still right behind him, speeds are 70, approaching 70 seconds. Alright, we have a green light at 70 seconds, approaching the red. I'm gonna see if I can get that channel to go south of the green light. Alright, south green bay, south green bay.
Alright, check the negative.
Speeds are going to be 55. I'm going to have county coming in with me here.
North 85th.
10-4 approaching Bain Station. Speeds are 90. Lane 2. Speeds 105. Light traffic. Still coming up toward you. Alright, passing the PD, lane 2, still going south, slowing down 70 miles an hour. Alright, speeds are 87 and increasing, passing Meyer distribution.
Outside lane, lane 3, outside lane.
29 speeds 105, approaching 95th, lane 2.
Take lane 1.
Good stick, southbound from 95th, right tires. Southbound speeds are 70 and increasing, approaching 104th. No traffic. Road conditions good. 29 speeds 99 and increasing, approaching the red light 104th. We are slowing down. Let's see if I can we're flattening tires here, guys, so if we can talk to them, that would be phenomenal. Going through 104th. We got both right tires flat. I'm going to try to slow them down and channel them from the front or head off. 209 PD, we're still south. Both right tires are flat. 209 both tires are flat. Adam King Young, 2774, unknown occupants. Approaching 116 business. Starting to deflate here. I'm trying to get in front, slow down. 2-9 intentional contact. 2 squads have been hit. We need to end this. Hands! One voice! Hands up! Do not move! Back! Slow down! We're fine! Slow down! Turn the sirens off! Turn the sirens off! No one's at the I don't know how. Turn the sirens off! Everybody chill out.
You said somebody on command, the police dog will bite you. Do you understand?
Get out and walk towards that police dog. That's fine. Do not run.
Hands visible.
You okay? I'm fine. He hit Armando.
Yeah, several times.
Keep those hands visible, driver. Crawl out, keep your hands visible.
Yep. Walk out, walk towards that dog. Otherwise, we're letting it go.
Get out.
Do not run.
All right, you guys got it. Take command.
Step back towards us. Step back towards us. You got hands. Yep. Step back. Keep going. Anyone else in the car? No, keep coming back. Drop to your knees. If you move, you will get hit.
We need you to put your hands up or you
Who else is in the car?
There's no one in the car. It's just me. There's no one in the car. 100%.
Let's get him back.
It's just me.
Weapons?
In the car, yes.
What's in the car?
Can still carry Glock.
You're under arrest.
Yes,
32 in the car.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna get you guys in the car.
Here.
It's all taken. It's not gonna go out. Yeah. Hold on. Can you see in there? All right. There we go. All right. We're good.
Code 401 in custody. They're clearing the vehicle now.
We're speeding. Just so you know, you're getting charged with a 10th homicide, okay? For your actions right there. 100%. Who is in 42? All right. You hit it, right? Without the bumper? All right. Don't plan on getting out.
It's probably the dumbest shit I've ever seen someone do.
Did you piss yourself too? No. Because you're so afraid?
They're just whack.
No, I just have like drainage control.
Step back.
9-8, we're gonna need Lake County for a crash, Doc.
Hold it. Your car's done.
Are you okay though?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sorry, guys.
So yeah, at least 3 counts of attempt homicide. And I'm gonna be very confident in that charge. You intentionally struck multiple squad cars for a speeding violation. And a stop sign violation.
More
That's it.
There's more in there? Thank you. Hold.
Oh.
Welcome to Prairie.
I did not try to strike any cars. I was definitely just trying to get out of the way, but it's alright, it's fine. We do want to have cameras. I did not try to, definitely reckless trying.
What's going on, dude?
How you doing, boss?
You okay?
Yeah, they hit me a couple times, but it wasn't anything damaging to me or whatnot.
All right. Did you take anything tonight?
Oh yeah.
What'd you take?
Crack and cocaine.
Okay.
Yep.
And how long ago did you do it?
Probably, just all day.
All day?
Yeah.
When did you do it last?
Like, probably right before I left Target.
Okay.
So pretty much as soon as he came and got me, so probably like 10, 15, 20 minutes.
Okay. And you're sure you don't want to take you to the hospital?
I'm okay, yeah.
Okay. Do you know how much you took?
Today, crack, about 70 G's, and then coke probably 2.
126 over 80.
126 over 80?
Yep.
Damn, bro, your blood pressure's better than mine.
Yeah.